I said, stop, drop, and roll. Somebody had said that, and then I went, and he was like, oh my god, you're so racist. I was like, no, racist, no. I said, call me racist. What did you do with her? Oh my god, I have hot Cheetos.
Oh wait, what? Where is your phone? Give it back to you.
My what?
Your phone. Did you? Yes, I did. You said it. I'm gonna catch you.
Wow.
Your neighbor. Remember, he said, "Screw the mother. It's the neighbor now."
Oh yeah. Hello. Oh hell no! You're recording.
I'm not. I'm not.
Hello, battery, huh?
You idiot. Don't.
Oh. If I were a white girl.
The white girl? Wait, is that a wrong white girl? It's a wrong there, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I was like, I'm thinking if I were a
Jocelyn.
I
know.
know.
I'm like, Hannah Montana fan.
I'm not. It's like. I thought it was your Jesse.
Okay, stop recording me. I'm freaking serious. I know you're recording me. Hi, it's on my back. You know she will post it on
MySpace. It's YouTube.
On YouTube, even worse. I will never talk to you. Ever. Ever. I think the white girl's finally coming out of Sam. Don't you think so?
Yes, I think so.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, your tone's black. You're gonna go, hey nigga! God! Like nobody ever says that. God. They're taking forever. I'm gonna call him again.
Why am I waiting again? Oh my
Oh,
water.
you're gonna go there?
I'll pay him back at the business.
Where do you want us to drop you off?
Where do you live?
I live right here in Velvet Park.
What is it? Just walk.
Excuse me? Yeah, just walk. Excuse me? We're having so much fun. I wanna know who called this meeting so I can
Isn't it?
fire
Isn't it? Oh, I need to go pee now. I said my mom.
Can somebody please send my limo?
Oh, it's wet. Screw that. This is plata. No. Well, Oleg, mama. Talk to you.
We robbed the car.
Do I get it? No. I don't know. It's for the